Hello student, a very warm welcome to VEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher. So again we have the science period through the video class. So in this video we will learn about chapter 3, that is fields to kitchen, from the book A. So all you have to open your book A. So we are learning the process of agriculture. We have learned about plowing, then sowing, then irrigation, or then harvesting. Okay, harvesting, the procedure of cutting the crop. Now after the harvesting, that farmers separate the grains from the husk and straws by beating the grains or stems of harvested crop on the floor. Means now what we have to do after cutting the crops there, with the grains what we have grown, there are husks, there are some husks, there are some straws which we don't want to, because we only want the grains of that crop. So by the process of the threshing, these grains is separated from the husk and straw. So in this procedure farmers used to beat the grains or the stems of the crops of the harvested crop on the floor. As you can see in the pictures, some ladies are just beating the on a large wood, or I think it's a large metal rod are there. So on this they are beating their crop, and so in this way they can easily find out the easily separate the grains from the husk and the straws. But nowadays threshing machines are also available, so many farmers use that threshing machines, but still some many farmers are there who beat the crop by their hand, and this process is called as threshing. Means threshing, separating the grains from the husk and straws by beating the crops on the floor. This is called as this process is known as the threshing. Okay, after the harvesting, which process will be done? This is threshing. Now after the process of threshing, okay, when farmers have separated the grains from the husk and straws, now there is another process which is known as a winnowing. As you can see in the picture how it is done. In this process mainly the light weighted husk is removed from the grains with the help of air. So what they do, they just stand up on a higher place, and they start the letting the wind or blast of air from a fan blow away unwanted parts. Means what they do, they just stand on a higher place and allow the heavy wind blast. Okay, in the also they start moving the grains in the direction of air. So what happened when they start doing this in the direction of air, so only grains will be there on the ground, and husk will be fly away. Okay, blow away blow away from the grain. So on the ground farmer will get only the greens part. Okay, or whatever the unwanted light part is there, it will be blow away from the grains. So in this way farmers will get completely we can say complete grains. Means perfectly clean grains, or in this after blowing in the grain there will be no light weighted husk part. So now after the blowing it will be easy for the farmers to store them. Okay, if they, and it will be easy for the farmers to sell these grains on a higher rate, because everyone wants a clean grain. Okay, so when the after the winnowing, when the crop is completely clean, this crop then is stored in godowns in the gunny bags. We all know that the gunny bags, or we can say the jute sacks. Okay, or in the cardboard or wooden boxes before it is sent to the market. So in this way farmers will store their crops before selling in the market in the godowns. Now, so today we have learned the threshing process and winnowing process in which the unwanted light-weighted husk is removed with the help of blast of air, or if if there is not enough air, so farmers used a heavy fan. So with the only the motive is to get the blast of air. So with the help of air, husk will be uh, 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 we can say blow away from the grains, and farmer will get a perfectly clean grain. Thank you.